Hello, this is Ms. Hoffmann explaining Learnweb features relevant for my English courses at Sprachenzentrum to you. In this short video, I will explain the use of the Wiki feature. The Wiki can be found behind or when you click on this weave icon in our Learnweb course. It will take you to something that is reminiscent, that's why it's called Wiki, of a Wikipedia entry. In this case, it will give you the reading comprehension questions that another course created a year ago. In my courses, wikis have several uses, but most prominently for my students is the use as a collection of comprehension questions that you create. I will ask you to work with texts, several texts or a longer text in groups, and you will each be assigned a part of the text or one text, and then you will have to create reading comprehension questions for the rest of the class. This means, of course, that at a later time, everybody has to read all the texts and everybody has to answer all the reading comprehension questions. To collect these reading comprehension questions and make them available to the whole course, I use the Wiki. Usually I pre-structure it. I give you the Wiki page, it has a title, and either I will give the names of the texts here as a structure, or you will find your group name in this part. And when you click on the Wiki, this is what you find, this View tab. You can enter your questions by clicking on the Edit tab, which will take you to the part where you can actually enter content. In this case, it will be the content, your questions for your part of the group. So group A1 and A2 have entered theirs here. Group A3 has entered their questions here. And what helps a lot for the others for reference and so on is if you actually number after entering your questions in the relevant place, the proper place, if you number your questions. This can be easily done by marking the questions and then clicking on the numbering tool. Wikis in Learnweb are a lot more powerful. You could actually add links and pictures and videos and all kinds of other things, which are usually not necessary in our reading comprehension use, but maybe in others. What you should keep in mind, though, when you access the Wiki is that sometimes you may not be able to do so. You may not be able to edit anything. That is because it's a collaborative tool, but it's not the perfect collaborative tool because only one person can access and edit at the same time. So if you find that you can't access it, you'll have to return at a later time to make your changes and to enter your questions. Don't forget to save your changes, otherwise they will be lost. And then they can be seen as here group A3 has numbered questions now. Another function that this tool has is that you can enter comments. They're not shown right away, but if you want to comment on something, you simply click on add a comment, save it, and either it might be a question or a comment when you find something too difficult or when you find something imprecise. You could refer to the group's name and to the number of the question and comment here. And that is it. Thank you very much.